Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 19 for Vlogmas here on my YouTube channel, and today is episode 16 for the top 5 favorite makeup beauty products series. So today we're going to be talking about highlighters. In 5th place we have the Sephora Colorful Luminizer. This is in the shade Pearl. I love this shade. It's so pretty for like a natural everyday highlight. I have another one like that as well, but it's just so pretty. I actually don't have a highlighter on today. I do really like this highlighter. In 4th place, we have the ColourPop Super Shock highlighter. I'm gonna put a picture of it right here. It was so good. I had the shade Flexitarian, and that was such great shade for me. And I loved how buttery and like the Super Shock shadow formula, it was just amazing. I loved that highlighter. Okay, in 3rd place, we have the e.l.f. Halo Glow Highlight Beauty Wand. I didn't use this one as much as the contour wand from e.l.f. I tried it maybe once. It was so good and I used it up and then I never repurchased it. It's really good. I do really like that one as well. It's just, I'm not a cream or liquid highlighter girly, I guess. I like powder highlighters more than liquids. 2nd place, we have the Patrick Ta Cream and Powder Highlighter Duo. I have the shade My Love. I love this shade. It is so pretty. I normally use this specific shade for special occasions. I don't typically use it for an everyday look anymore. I do still really love this highlighter, but when I do those like special occasion looks, I actually top it with the cream, or top the powder with the cream, like Patrick Ta way, and it's just so pretty that way, and I love it. In 1st place, we have Makeup by Mario Soft Glow Highlighter. I have the shade Pearl. This one is so perfect for my skin tone. It's such a nice subtle highlight, which I actually prefer in a highlighter, which is so great. I love this highlighter. It's really good. Okay, that was it for my top 5 favorite highlighters. See you guys tomorrow for day 20. Bye!